Want to learn how to add location on Instagram story? Here's how. To start off, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. After that, click on the plus icon at the upper left corner to start creating a new story. From here, you can either capture a fresh photo or a video or select one from your gallery. Once your content is ready, click on the sticker icon at the top. Among the available options, select the location sticker. Now a search bar will appear. Type the name of the place you want to tag. Once you find your location, just click on it and hit the add button to confirm, and it will instantly appear on your story. At this stage, feel free to resize, move or rotate the location sticker. Lastly, click on your story to share it with your followers. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to add a location on Instagram story.